I'm just gonna say to Sankay Janjan, I'm not picking your fight. You have to better to stop making a fake account on Facebook about, for example, for what you did to Rodelio Daguman. Look at what happened to Rodelio Daguman's mother. Have passed away. Just remember, this is all your fault. This is your consequence. I know what you just made, what you just criticized. I know, Sangkay Janjan. I know what you're doing. I know what your ambition. I was explained from Roydan Marlang. He said to me, in what's that in Tagalog words? Hindi po yan si Mang Rodelio Daguman. Hindi po yan si Rodelio. Oh, it's really a fake account. The picture of Sara Duterte and Rodelio Daguman, it's not Rodelio. Alright? Because I know Rodelio Daguman, if he supports Sara Duterte, if he support the Dutertes, or if he's pro Duterte, if he's an anti-Marcos, he has a right thing to speak about the freedom of expression and even um, uh, freedom of speech, just like I was told by Kuya Bear. But here's the one thing, Sangkay, ha? I know this is your fault. I know this is your consequence. Respect those people who are anti-Marcos. For example, here's the one thing. Look at Arnel Guerrero Castillo, formerly as Best Pills. He is an anti-Marcos. Look at Mang Rodelio Daguman. He's also an anti-Marcos. Oh, they are pro Duterte. They are anti-Marcos. They have their own freedom of expression. Like I said before, Sangkay Janjan, I'm not picking you a fight. I am here to condemn that you're making a fake account on Facebook. It's not really good. You're the one who made this fake account of Mrs. Annie Gill. Now you see, this is all your fault. It was the fault anyway, you, Sangkay Janjan. That is your fault. That's why people are there. They don't believe you. You are just a troll. You're just a bully. You're just like me. I know I was a former bully. Now I was changed myself to be good. You know what, Sangkay? Anyway, you need to take therapy. Or instead, you need to take a rehab. You should be in the mental hospital just like Paulo Cruzada. Just like Teacher May Tiburcio. Just like Kuya Copio. Just like Gima Casandil. You should be there in the mental. You know, that making fake account of Rodelio Daguman, that is cyberbullying. Like me, I never want to make fake account. You know what I did to Teacher Vincent Ramos, what I did to Teacher Gio Milana. I made the fake account on Facebook. This is my consequence. And I'm just gonna say to you, Sangkay Janjan, this is your consequence. And I will not, they will not going to forgive you. Even Mrs. Annie Gill or Mang Rodelio Daguman, even David Gill, even Robin Daguman or Kuya Robin, they will not going to forgive you just because you are a bully. Just like I said, do you see it really happen that David Gill He doesn't forgive you. I know David Gill, he forgives me also for what I did to him, even his family. What about you? You're the one who started this. Even one of your followers, you're attacking David Gill. That is your fault, Sangkay Janjan. I know. This has not really happened to you. If you go in prison, if you go to jail, Sangkay Janjan, you will see in the hearing with Mang Rodelio Daguman and Mrs. Annie Gill. You should better to find your own lawyer. Just like Joseph Maspina says, maghanap na kayo ng sarili nyong abogado. This is what he said.